In this video, I'll show you a few different tricks in case your Nintendo Switch or Switch Lite is not connecting to your Wi-Fi network, or maybe it's connecting but you don't get any internet. So there's a few different solutions. Let's start with the easiest of them. So the first thing, press the home button. So we start at the same point. And over here, we're going to go into the settings. So this icon, tap it twice. From this screen, go down on the left side menu until you select Internet. Then select Internet Settings. It will search for all the networks available around you. And the network you're currently connected to will be the one with a blue check mark. Tap on it and then select Clear Settings. We want to completely delete it from the switch, so we start fresh. Press delete. It will scan again, go over your Wi-Fi network, and we will reconnect. So type the password, then press OK. Once your console is connected to the Wi-Fi, press OK again. And try and see if this fixed your issue. It was the simple fixed, and hopefully you won't have to do anything else. If you're still having problems, going again in the internet settings, and we'll change a few different things that can make a huge difference. So select your Wi-Fi network, the one that you're currently connected to, and now we're going to select change settings. Go down and you're going to see DNS settings. Click over it. By default, it's automatic, but we want to put it in manual mode. So select manual. And now if we go down, we have two different options, primary DNS and secondary DNS. We need to change these. So the first option will be to select primary DNS. And instead of what you see here, go ahead and delete it. We're going to enter 1.1.1.1. Press OK. And has a secondary DNS, click, and again delete whatever was there, and enter 1.0.0.1. Press OK, press save, and try to see if your Wi-Fi issues have been fixed. If you're still having issues, there's also another DNS you can try. So go in the change settings again. Primary DNS, instead of what I showed you, try putting 8.8.8.8, press OK, and under secondary DNS, select 8.8.4.4. This is a second option that many people have written that it actually fixed their problem. So go ahead, save this, and hopefully everything will work after doing these small changes. If you're still having issues, another thing you can try is to delete again your Wi-Fi network. So select clear settings once you have selected it from your Wi-Fi networks. Go to your Wi-Fi router and unplug it from the wall socket. Wait around 15 seconds and then plug it back. You'll have to wait 5 minutes around, depending which brand you have, so it's back online. And now go ahead on your switch and connect back to that network. I don't know why it's doing this, but in the past I actually had this problem, and simply by unplugging my router, I don't know, it did a soft reboot and I was able to connect with my switch. It's also important to know that it's better when connecting to the Wi-Fi, at least the first time you're connecting, to be close to your Wi-Fi router. So try to be in under 3 meters or 7 feet from your Wi-Fi router. Try to avoid having walls between them or TVs or other computers that can interfere, at least when you connect the first time. Then you can go away from it a bit more. But to do the initial connection, the switch requires a quite strong Wi-Fi network. Hopefully this fixed your issue. If you're still having a problem, another thing that I didn't talk about, but go ahead and restart your switch simply by pressing the home button here. Then select power option, select restart, and try connecting again to your Wi-Fi router. And the last resort would be to do a factory reset of your switch before contacting customer service. This is really the last resort, since a factory reset will obviously delete all your personal data and everything else. Your switch will be like new. One of the most annoying thing that you can actually do, but hey, if it fixed the problem, this should be something you could consider. Thanks for watching. Leave a comment down below if one of my tricks worked. If you have another trick that can solve this problem, write it as well. Leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.